Today I'm going to talk to you and explain to you the differences between Profhilo and Profhilo Structura. And these are some of the two most popular treatments in my practice, and that's one of the most popular questions or frequently asked questions I've been asked in my practice. So let's break it down. Profhilo is not a filler. It's a skin remodeling injectable made of ultra-pure hyaluronic acid. It's designed to deeply hydrate and stimulate collagen and elastin production, giving you that skin that's dewy, plump and healthy glow. Profhilo actually spreads under the skin after it's been injected to hydrate and rejuvenate skin across the whole of the mid and lower face. Think of it as a bioremodeler or a skin booster rather than a sculptor. On the other hand, Profhilo Structura targets the fatty layer just below the skin and regenerates that layer, and by regenerating the fatty layer, that in turn regenerates the overlying skin layers. So it has a completely different function. And it does that with its different properties. Profhilo Structura has 50% more hyaluronic acid than its counterpart Profhilo. This gel is thicker than Profhilo, which means it stays in the area we injected so that we can really target the fat layers in the areas of your face which have started to become hollow, lack volume, and are starting to sag. By injecting Profhilo Structura with either a cannula or a sharp needle into these areas, you will find that you'll get a subtle restoration of natural volume and a subtle lift. So let me explain how they differ. Profhilo spreads evenly to hydrate and remodel the skin, and it's great for overall skin quality. On the other hand, Structura offers targeted support, ideal for areas where you've lost small amounts of fat cells and need some subtle lifting. So Profhilo equals skin glow and firmness, and Structura gives structure, lift and subtle shaping. If your main concern is dull skin, dehydration or early signs of aging, then Profhilo should be your choice. But if you're starting to notice hollowness, sagging or mid-face flattening, Structura can help rebuild that foundation. Often we use both together for a layered, regenerative approach, skin quality and facial support. So now I'll explain how they're used. Profhilo is typically injected into the 5 key points on each side of the face, called the bioaesthetic points, and it's quick, low pain and requires no downtime. Structura is injected more like a soft filler using a cannula or a needle depending on the area, and it stimulates collagen but also fatty tissue, and it's great for restoring gentle contours. Now Profhilo's results usually show after about 2 treatments spaced 4 weeks apart, with a top-up pair of treatments every 6 months. Structura, again, is 2 treatments 4 weeks apart, but these tend to last a bit longer, about every 9 to 12 months, depending on the individual. But what's truly exciting is that both improve your own collagen production, so results get better over time. Profhilo changed the game for skin quality completely, but Structura takes it a step further by addressing subtle volume loss and structural aging, all while keeping a natural look. At Riverbanks, we customize your treatment plan depending on your skin and your age and your facial goals, and we will recommend only what's right for you. If you'd like to find out more about whether Profhilo or Profhilo Structura could be suitable for you, please book a consultation with us. Let's help you feel confident in your skin again with natural, regenerative results that last.